Henan Jiuling Machinery Equipment Company Limited is located in Jinzhou City, Henan Province. We are a modern enterprise focusing on the research, development, promotion and sales of organic fertilizer, compound fertilizer and liquid fertilizer production equipment. Our company has built a standardized heavy industrial plant of 16,000 square meters. At the same time, we have introduced internationally advanced CNC processing centers, laser cutting machines and other large and medium-sized metal processing equipment, which provides a strong guarantee for the company's product quality and development. Our company adheres to the concept of using technology to benefit the people of the world, pays attention to high tech in the industry, continuously innovates, develops, iterates and optimizes products, and provides customers with excellent quality products and services, which has received unanimous praise from customers. Our good quality products have been exported to Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, Peru, Bolivia, Pakistan, USA, Mexico, Uzbekistan, Russia, Latvia and other Africa countries. The machines are highly praised by customers at home and abroad. The company has been awarded Contract Abiding and Credit Keeping Enterprise, Production Management Preferred Unit, Bank, AAA Credit Enterprise, Consumer Satisfaction Unit. Mr. Kuan Gao, the chairman of Henan Jiuling Machinery Equipment Company Limited with staffs together, sincerely looking forward to your support and cooperation, and also sincerely invite friends and customers to our factory. Let's work together for development and create brilliance and contribute to the protection of human ecological sustainability.